Welcome everyone to Vocabulary Chapter 9 video tutorial. So we come to our first word here, austere. And it says, Miss Stone's appearance was austere. She wore plain, dark-colored clothing with no jewelry and never used makeup. So austere. So her appearance, she's just wearing plain clothes, dark-colored clothing, no jewelry, no makeup. So she's very plain. That's what really sticks out to me. So austere means A, B, or C, and we're going to go with B, plain. Next, esoteric. The instruction manuals that come with computer software often use such esoteric terms that they seem to be written in a foreign language. So we're talking about these instruction manuals and for computer software, and they're saying these terms, it's as if they're written in foreign language. So if we see something in a foreign language we may not know, we're going to go with either A, B, or C. We're going to go with A, difficult to understand. 3, a facsimile. The word fax is short for facsimile. With a fax machine, you can send a precise image of a document across the country electronically in seconds. So you look at that word facsimile, has the word fax in it. So facsimile is an original, distorted version, or an accurate copy. And the correct answer is, well, we know already it's not an original, it's C, an accurate copy, because remember, they make a digital copy of it and send it. Number 4, grotesque. The clown made grotesque faces, squinting his eyes, pulling down the corners of his mouth, and sticking out his tongue. See, you see that word grotesque, and you think of the word maybe gross even. So grotesque must mean what? And the correct answer here is A, strange looking. 5, mesmerize. The intense eyes of the woman in the photograph mesmerized me. I couldn't take my eyes off the picture. So mesmerize, or when you think of mesmerize and you can't take your eyes off something, does it mean amuse, fascinate, or distort? Correct answer would be yes, fascinate, because they're almost hypnotized by this and they can't take their eyes off it. 6, metamorphosis. A caterpillar's transformation into a butterfly is a well-known example of metamorphosis. So when a caterpillar turns into a butterfly, that's a metamorphosis. So that means, yes, a change in form. And they even use that word transformation there. 7, notorious. Batman and Robin matched wits with the Joker and the Penguin, who were notorious for their evil deeds. So you think of the Joker and the Penguin, they're notorious. That means they are not ignored and not regarded with curiosity. It's regarded negatively. 8, perfunctory. Most of the candidates were passionate on the subject of nuclear weapons, but one spoke in a very perfunctory way, apparently bored with the topic. So perfunctory. So apparently this person was bored with the topic. So perfunctory. Everybody else was passionate. So the opposite of passionate is perfunctory. So perfunctory must mean yes, uninterested. 9, provocative. To arouse the viewer's curiosity, the television ad began with a provocative image, a spaceship landing on a baseball field at home plate. So provocative means predictable, difficult to understand, or touchy-getting. And provocative, you think of the word provocation, like to provoke something, to arouse some kind of feeling or emotion. So provocative must mean, yes, C, attention-getting. Last one here, travesty. The musical comedy version of Hamlet was a travesty. The critics and audience agreed that it made a mockery of Shakespeare's profound tragedy. So travesty, so if something is a travesty, must mean, yes, a joking, disrespectful imitation. It's a mockery. So when you mock something, you're making fun of it. So this brings us to the end of Vocabulary Chapter 9, and we will keep a lookout for Chapter 10 vocabulary. Thank you.